The result of this pork chop surprised everyone. It melts in your mouth. I've got 1 kilo and 200 pork ribs here, and I'm going to start by cutting them up. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of sweet paprika. I'll also add olive oil. After that, we'll leave it to marinate for 30 minutes, and then in a frying pan, we'll add oil, and then we'll add our pork chops. While the pork ribs are frying, we'll chop up a red onion. We're also going to cut up a few cloves of garlic. The amount is up to taste, and at this point we can add the onion and garlic we've cut up. We're going to stir here and let this garlic and onion fry 330 ml of beer. Once that's done, we can add it to the pan here. Let's stir, and then we'll also add a tablespoon of honey. Add 100 milliliters of soy sauce. Stir again. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.